Let me tell you a quick story. Now, a few years ago, I started my journey as a designer. In fact, I got to learn design. And back then, we were more like using Core 12 and Core 13. After some time, I felt it was time for me to learn something new. Then I started learning how to do UX. Now, UI UX, of course, was something new, but it was making sense to me. After creating some designs, and I was curious as to how can I take this thing to the web. Of course I did. I learned front end. Now at some point, learning the front end was of course challenging, especially when it comes to JavaScript. For those who know JavaScript, they really know that. But I didn't just stop there. I started learning and things started making sense. At some point again, I was bored. I was like, okay, what else? I tried out backend. With backend, I was able to, of course, build backend logic for my application. It didn't just end there. It got to a point, I also still learn about DevOps. Combining all of these things together, you can call me full stack, it's fine. You can even call me all stack, it's all fine. My point here is, I believe that there are some people who can also still transition the way I did, especially in the technology space. And that's why at InstinctHub, we are introducing Tech Diversity version 2. You're not required to even do so much. The only thing you need is a laptop and internet connection. And the moment you can do this, you'll be so surprised as to the achievement that we can achieve together. Now, if you have somebody who is currently in school, or even you as well want to try it out, why not just go to tech.instincthub.com. So you're not left out. Make sure you follow us on all our social media handles. Of course, we are InstinctHub on all the mediums, so you can try us. Just follow us out, and of course, achieving success is what we do. We don't just do it for ourselves alone, because we help everyone achieve success. Thank you.